Another Sunday, another ride. This is the one thing that us riders do. No, we cannot let go. Unless you are not passionate about it. This is the moment when you can be yourself. Feel free even the other day. To reboot, regrip, reset, filled up, and moved up. And we will be riding the 650. I will tell you something about it along the way. Let's gas up muna.
Diba yung kanina? Eh, grabe naman. Tumalon, no? Talaga? Grabe. Lakas eh, no?
I tried one full tank, one way to Baguio kaya. This is 16 liters. Medyo malaki ang tank nito. To my personal computation, 28 kilometers per liter running on eco mode, 23 kilometers per liter on wall-wall mode. The modes are automatic, they are based on RPM. Wala siyang pinipindot. Little bit of history. The first TR was released back in 2006, then followed with newer model in 2009, then 2012. Nakalahi nitong dala natin. But this one is a 2015 model. Colors lang ang nag-iba since. This is 649cc liquid cooled, 4-stroke parallel twin, double overhead, 4 valves per cylinder, fuel injected with 38mm total body. 6-speed with multi-plate clutch, dual front brakes with 300mm disc and 2 piston calipers. Rear is single 220mm disc with single piston. As you all know, all the braking power is in the front. Pag una mong hawak sa bike na to, first thing you will notice, yung bigat niya. Pag upo mo, if you're 5'6" like me, saktong-sakto. You're half flat foot on the floor. This is a combi tour and sports bike because of the faired body, and the straight up riding position because of the manabela. You will also notice yung malakas na engine braking niya. I find this really effective when doing corners. Fast in, fast out. This bike has an awesome acceleration speed. But pag banking, watch out. Kasi I find the body position odd. Kasi pag lean mo, you'll find your arm sa visor ng helmet. You're like a monkey hanging on my back dahil sa mataas na manubela. Well, touring nga, diba? Sarap, sarap! This bike is very comfortable and easy to ride. With the low foot peg, taas na manubela, relaxed riding position, you can go all day. I mentioned kanina na mabigat. Pero once you're running, sobrang gaang nito. Kaya, huwag na lang kaya tayo tumigil. Nasaan ba si kuya? Kanina pa naghahabol yun eh.
Habol na habol sa'yo, ang bilis-bilis mo. Natural, 650 to, no? Naka-on ba yung camera? Tingnan mo, buksan. Ito, no? Ay!
Now let's go downhill. As mentioned, this has so much speed. I remember 200 kph on T-Flex. Remember the awesome engine braking? Plus acceleration? Galing! Let's forget about the body position. Hindi talaga maganda tingnan. There's just too much vibration going on sa manubela. Naputol pa nga camera holder ko. The braking power of our front wheels is just great on taking corner entry. Ang fine kasi yung front brakes. Di ako masyadong gumagamit ng rear. Well, hindi din yata palitan ng fluid ng rear brake. It's overheating on downhill. And who needs abs when you can go to the gym and work it, di ba? So far so good. If you're planning to get this bike, second-hand meron. I don't think na meron pa nito sa kasa. Check nyo na lang. Pero, the 2017 model is out. And it's lighter than this model. Well, that's it for me for this ride review. We'll see you again. Cha-cha!